Welcome again. So one more thing, one last thing. Did you guys see MaKhumalo trying to manage, you know, manage a narrative when it comes to her and Macele's relationship? Did you see? I was like, go to her social media, uzombona busy posting umamkhulu. MaKhumalo busy posting umacele laphana. Angithi we know on the show ukuthi baxabene, but we know ukuthi into eshuthwe a while ago, but we know ukuthi there's a tension on the show. She's busy on her Instagram posting old photos that we've seen long ago, because we've seen umacele with those pens, those photos that are there with her in the yellow dress. She's busy posting there because of course she's trying to manage us, to be like, I love Mamkulu. Me and Mamkulu are okay. And we're like, hey, we used to buy it in season one. We used to buy it in season one that you guys are like this. We were like, oh, even us, we were like, hey, oh, guys, maybe I must get, on his table because book, they have best friends. Even me, I wanted to have a best friend that was dating my husband when I first saw the ladies getting along and all of that. But now I'm like, these ones, when she gets a chance, she just takes a nice photo with Michael and keeps the photos. And then when they are fighting on the show, she posts them on her Instagram so that you can feel like, guys, they're not really fighting because look at Tuma Kumalo is posting the photos. The fakery. The fakery. How many times? In fact, Michael, does she even have Instagram? Because I think I'm following MaKhumalo, I'm following Umayeni, I'm following Mangwabi. Michael, look on Instagram. I can't remember if I'm following her. Yabona, I don't even remember umacele busy posting uMaKhumalo, but uMaKhumalo, hayi naye uMaKhumalo. Phela ufike ngendoda laphayana kaMsele uyazi. Sengikhuluma ngathi ngikhuluma naye uMaKhumalo. Ufike ngendoda, like honestly guys, I think esithenjini fanele kuyitshothi ngifike ngondoda. Into ukufocus kulapho fanele kufake ukuthi I'm getting along with them. Yabo nje umuntu that I can relate to better is uMangwabi. Mangwabi is just focused on ngizela ngomshado nomseleko. UMangwabi inkinga zakwakho ikhuluma kwakhe. Makuhlengana ama meeting nje uyabuka nje Paul lapha nalapha, go back home agrille indoda yakhe. Agrille lo ndoda kayena. Akaloke posta ezama ukuthi sibone ukuthi bayazwana, pretense, ngithi na sengiyankanta, but ngithi nimbonile yini uMaKhumalo trying to control the narrative, wanting us to think ukuthi yena and Mamkhulu are back to ucabanga ukuthi asazi ukuthi those photos are old. Sayibona last year ngalowa nyaka lo. Why posta manje? Why is posta manje? Hey guys, hayi kuningi kuyaphithizela.